Not bad for 55.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.
Now guys, look at my face. Y'all know that I do not like wearing a lot of makeup, right? So right here, the only thing that I have on is lashes. I will not be buying these type of lashes again. I got my eyebrows done. I use just a pencil for my eyebrows, and I have half lipstick on. See that? You do not have to have a lot of makeup on to enhance your beauty. I don't want to have a lot of makeup on or hide behind a lot of makeup or have to have to put that stuff on like that every day just to accept myself. So guys, I started just calming down on a lot of things, hair products, makeup. And today, guys, I am getting rid of clothes. So some of the things that I have been doing have been reinventing myself. Now guys, y'all know I don't like to wear a lot of hair, but I do have hair pieces just in case I need to just throw on something real quick or I want to give my hair a break, right? Right. Now guys, I have a little storage chest over here. It's a bench and you can store things in it. I have started putting in my summer clothes, but when I started putting those clothes in there, those clothes was taking up room in the drawer. And I didn't even wear those clothes this summer. So that's telling me, are those really clothes you're going to wear? So right now, guys, I am just going to just pick some things up out of that storage bin and I'm going to put them on and we're going to see what we're going to keep and what we're going to get rid of. All right, here's my storage bin. And these are just little outfits, little summer outfits. Let's put this one on. Not bad for 55. So what do you think, guys? This is one of the outfits that I have decided to keep, but I will not wear outside. This is only for spa days, hotel stays, and when my husband and I are together. All right, guys, so there are other outfits that I have, like vacation outfits that was sitting in my drawer that was just sitting there covering up the things that I do wear every day that makes me look nice every day. I'm gonna show you one of these outfits. You know, going on vacation, this is not something that I will wear every day. Let me pop this on. So this is what it's looking like. Get closer for you to see it. This is the outfit. This is a two-piece outfit, and it has a walking jacket to it. I have a lot of outfits like this, and yes, I like it. I like it. Let me get closer so you can see the colors in it. And I have a variety of walking outfits, you know. When we go out of town, we can walk on the beach, champagne on the beach, or a late night dinner, this to be casual. You know, it has splits towards the very bottom, but this is like just a two-piece. And I think it's perfect. Even if I wanted to wear this every day, I could. That's why I was in the drawer. You know, on a nice day, you can just throw on something and just go, you know. You know what? For a matter of fact, because I had something, you know, to do today, and I don't feel like putting on no clothes, I'm just going to wear this. But decluttering is not about hurting yourself. You don't have to make yourself do anything, but do pay attention to what you're doing. I'm paying attention to what I really want and what I really don't want, guys. I don't want a lot of stuff around me. I know what I want, what I don't want, and what I am saying maybe to. And so I'm making some tough decisions today, but I'm making those decisions, and I'm liking what I am seeing, so I'm gonna keep it going, guys. I am going to show you guys an image of my dresser drawer. Once I moved out all these things that I wasn't wearing on a regular basis, guys, I wasn't. I seen other things in there that was absolutely beautiful that I overlooked. Bear with me. Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love. I have so much space in those dresser drawers now that it's ridiculous. And then decide, guys, on what you can hang up, what you can fold up. And when you fold stuff up, I would say do it the Kamari way. Do it the Kamari way, because when I put them clothes in that drawer and just laid them in there, it took up a lot of room. But when I rolled the pants and stacked them where I could see them, man, I got like, I think 8 or 9 pair in just one row. So you can get 3 rows in there. Today, I am finna get back to my decluttering and organizing and throwing things away. You know, it's not about hurting yourself when you're, you know, decluttering and deciding what to keep and what not to keep. You know what you want, you know what you don't want. Whether it's jewelry, hair products, makeup, clothes, dishes, old medicine, things of that nature. And when you start moving things around and seeing, once you throw stuff away and you start moving stuff around in your house and really seeing, man, I had the room. I just was having stuff around me that I really didn't want. All right, guys, well, that is it. That is what your girl is doing today. I am seeing progress, and I want to keep this progress going. Today, our makeup is only brows, lashes, and a neutral lipstick. We're not hiding behind a lot of hair. We're not hiding behind a lot of makeup. We're enhancing what we have, right? So now that I am organizing my clothes and everything and hanging up what needs to be hung up, folding up what needs to be folded up, putting away things that I wasn't wearing on a daily basis, but I still like those things. Everything is coming together nicely. So I have a lot more to do today, guys. And see, that's what I be telling you guys, you know. I got up to do a video for you guys, and I ended up wearing what I got on, just something to throw on, you know.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left?